time to meet your all-star monster trucks.
Let's meet our field of competitors. The first driver I would like to introduce, the young gun on the tour, 15 years old, a high schooler living his dream, part of the brother versus brother team out here in competition. Chevy fans, show him some love from Lawtons, New York. Give it up for Montana Robbins, playing Krazy.
He's going home.
The next truck is coming out. It's Internet.
Next up, the veteran on the tour. He has competed all across North and South America with this legendary name. Kicking it old school in a 1970s Ford F-150 from Kewaunee, Wisconsin. Give it up for Just Get Her Done Original, Tulachka.
The next one's coming. Crazy Train. Whoa. You gotta keep moving.
The other half of the brother versus brother team, and they're already doing some smack talk on the track. Just 19 years old in one of the most popular trucks on the tour. It's a 2021 Chattanooga Choo Choo. I want to see you all pump those fists in the air with a trade horn. Give it up for Triton Robbins, Crazy Train.
Thank you.
Stinger Unleashed? Nope. Buckshot. Buckshot.
Next up, a wild man on the tour, a former truck and tractor puller and onion farmer turned monster truck driver, and a 2021 Chevy Silverado all the way from Culpeper, Virginia. Get loud for Brandan Bud, Buckshot!
2021. Take a brand new Chevy truck.
This one has to be Stinger Unleashed. Get it,
And finally, part of the father and son team here in competition tonight. This young man grew up watching his famous father pilot monster trucks all across the globe. Now he's carrying on the family tradition in a 2020 Ford Super Duty, also from Kewaunee, Wisconsin. Give it up for Brandan Tulachka, Just Get Her Done, second generation. One more time, make some noise for your all-star monster trucks!
y'all soon.
Laugh on you.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, world of my life, and I had to start again, just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands